Severe thunderstorms are expected again today across northeastern parts of New South Wales and are also possible across eastern parts of Queensland. Now this follows a massive day of storms yesterday as a line of severe thunderstorms moved eastwards across the country. They brought damaging to destructive winds and heavy to intense rainfall. But looking at the satellite imagery, we can see it's now moving out into the Tasman Sea. So today, the focus of the severe thunderstorms will be about northeast New South Wales, with the risk extending all the way up into Bowen, Queensland. Now, these storms may bring heavy rainfall, damaging winds, or large hail. And with the heavy rainfall comes a risk of flash flooding that can create really hazardous driving conditions, causing road closures and detours, while the damaging wind gusts can bring down both trees, power lines, and cause power outages. So for the remainder of today, we're expecting the showers and storms to start to contract into northeastern parts of New South Wales as this low pressure system here develops just off the coast. The southerly winds are expected to strengthen and also develop these large waves and really powerful swell. And for that reason, we do have a hazardous surf warning extending from the mid-north coast all the way down into the Illawarra. Now, as we move into tomorrow, Friday, that low lingers and the strengthening winds will start to push up into land areas, while the onshore flow will intensify the rainfall areas. And for that reason, we have issued a severe weather warning for both damaging winds and heavy rainfall extending from the mid-north coast all the way down into the Sydney metro area. Now, that low pressure system by Saturday will continue to linger on the coast before starting to move away. So both heavy rainfall and damaging winds are expected to continue until at least the first half of the day, before that low pressure system drags away the severe weather. So how much rainfall are we talking? Within that warning area, there is the potential for 6 hourly rainfall totals between 70 to 120 millimetres, while between now through until Sunday, there's the potential for up to 150 millimetres to be accumulated, particularly about the elevated terrain. And for that reason, we have issued flood watch for the central, the Hunter and the mid-north coast, for isolated minor flooding possible from as early as this evening. So if you or anyone you know lives within eastern parts of the country, it's really important that they stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via the Bureau website, app and social media. And as always, listen to the advice from your local emergency services. Bye for now.